how to draw a shape on Google Slides. If you want to draw a shape on Google Slides, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is simply open up your browser. Once you open your browser, this is the interface you will see. So first of all, go to a certain slide on Google Slides. After that, let's say I want to draw a shape, maybe a square, circle, a rectangle, a line, arrow, whatever else it is. At the very top, you can see the shape icon and the lines icon. So if you want to actually choose a line, then you can select line right here and then you can choose to draw a line just like that. But if you want a shape like a custom shape, then you can hit the shapes icon from the toolbar, select shapes, and you can choose any type of shape you want here, and you can simply draw them. You can hit the shift key to basically make it as symmetrical as possible. But if you want a curved one or 3D one, you can just try to do what you will right here, and then that particular shape will be converted. This way you'll be able to add a shape on Google Slides. I hope that this video pretty much helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.